What's up? Welcome back. My name. And today we are learning if there's like different types of hearing aids or what is it, cochlear implant, kind of stuff like that. There are so many different types of hearing aids. There's BTE, behind the ear hearing aid, where is what you're kind of thinking what your grandparents probably wear. So they go in your ear and they just go behind the ear. Within that, there are different types of behind the ear hearing aids, but I'll get to that in a second. There's one that just fits in your ear. Sometimes you can't even see it. Sometimes it's your whole entire, I don't know what this part is called. And then there's a cochlear implant, but that's totally different than a hearing aid in a different video. I don't have time to explain all this. But behind the ear ones, you can have a thick behind the ear. You can also have a huge mold. You can also have it behind the ear with like a little tiny thing that goes in your ear. But yeah, and then you'll just have one that doesn't go behind the ear. Sometimes it fits weird and your ear grows. Like I had my hearing aid since I was a kid and my ear would be growing. So then I would have to get new like molds that's here and then stuff like that. So yeah, there are very many different types of hearing aids and they evolve every year just like technology does. So